Hello, I'm Kozue. I'm gonna do my right hand nails. I finished applying a base coat. My thumbnail was broken, so I cut it short. I expect this to grow out relatively soon. Parado Mini Nail. It contains fine golden particles. Red 09. I should mix the particles well before using it. Turn it upside down, roiling it in my hands. This color is discontinued. I bought it at an outlet cosmetic store in Japan. It's the perfect color for December. Since it is pretty opaque, I'm gonna finish it with one coat. I'm gonna be stamping on it later, so I don't have to worry about patchiness anyway. I applied it to them just once. I'm gonna stamp foil glue from Temu. It looks like it's sold out now. Shein has similar products. Actually, you don't have to apply it, but it's helpful when you stamp on the whole nail or work with your non-dominant hand. Don't paint it on the tip of your nails. If you do, art won't last as long. I'm gonna stamp when it gets transparent. A plate I bought at Temu. I'm gonna have a stamper and a scraper ready on the table. Regular polish from a 100 yen store. I'm gonna apply foil glue again. Foil glue works as a non-smudge top coat. I can avoid smudges by applying a regular top coat lightly, but it's rather difficult to paint well with my left hand. It's easier for me to just use foil glue. Pareto gel top coat. I have been strongly recommending it in my videos. It does not shrink and dries quickly. I love it, but it's not glossy enough, and it doesn't give plumpness. So I have to finish nail art with Seria Vitae. Thanks to the foil glue, there's no smudge. I'm gonna plain foil glue on the ring finger. I'm gonna be stamping twice on the ring finger. Same plate as before. I'll have them ready on the table. Spiritual polish. It's not stamping polish, so it's not as opaque, but that's what I need. I thought using the polish was a good idea, but it turned out too light-colored. It's barely visible, isn't it? But I'll just go ahead. Foil glue again. This will help next stamping. Resizable stamper. You can get one at Shein, Temu, or AliExpress. I'm pushing the stamper like this. The stamper is stretched. I got this plate from a 100 yen store. The color gets darker as it's shrunken. I'm applying foil glue as a non-smudge top coat. I've been painting foil glue so many times. I'm gonna apply gel top coat and leave for half a day. I'm gonna put transfer foil on my middle finger. Foil glue again. Never did I know that I was going to struggle then. I will use this Prism Nail Transfer Foil I bought at Temu. I use Daiso's silicone pen. I got a nice prism look. I love looking at the empty spot on the film. I'm gonna apply gel top coat as usual. Oh! By the time I finished painting, the prism was completely gone. I'm gonna start over. I'm transferring second time. Prism is there. This time, I applied foil glue. I wonder if this will protect the prism. Yes, it's still there. I'm gonna apply gel top coat. By the way, it's not gel nail, although its name is gel top coat. So, I just finished painting. Is there prism? I don't think so. I could deceive myself by telling myself it's a pearly art. I tried again from scratch. The good thing about regular polish is that it can be removed easily. Third time's the charm. Prism is confirmed. Peel off base and top best. It says gel nail, but it's not. I can tell from the smell that it does not contain solvents. I'm pretty sure it's water-based, so I don't think it melts the prism. How is it? I think the most prism is left so far. After drying well, I applied gel top coat again. Now I'm thinking, I can just finish with the transfer foil without applying any top coat. Probably not. I don't know if I can see the prism or not. Okay, I'm done. I let it sit for about 6 hours. I'm gonna finish the set with Seria Vitae. After applying it to all the nails, everything will be done. I don't see clear prism on the middle finger, but I like it still. Overall, it is a chic nail set with a cute little snowflake on the ring finger. I love it, it's so nice. But the thumbnail looks foreign. My left hand nails are like this. The whole vibe is similar to each other, except for the thumbnails. Let's see how it looks as a whole. Yeah, it has unity. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.